Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix your organization blocked this file because it did not meet a security policy. So how to fix this error? In this video, we will know that step by step. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So when you download any exe file, msi file, you can see here this error message is displayed on your browser. So how to fix it? Right click on start button and after that type here under search box internet option. You can see here internet option is displayed here. Click on it and click here security tab. After that guys, click here internet and click here custom level and drop down and find here launching application and unsafe file. Select this option, promote option, click OK, click here yes button and after that click here local internet, click here custom level and find same setting here launching application and unsafe file. Okay, and select this option enable. This option enable, click here OK and then click here yes button. After that click here trusted site and custom level and after that guys find same setting here launching application. Scroll down and select this and click here promote and enable. You can select anyone. Select here and click OK and click here yes. After that click here site and custom level and after that drop down, find here same setting launching application and unsafe file. Select this option. Okay, and click here OK button and click here yes and then click here apply and click here OK button. So now launch browser again and download any file as you wish. So here we download a file, Opera web browser. Click here and click here download now. So guys, you can see here downloading is started and completed successfully here. Okay, no error message is displayed now. So you can see here we download Mozilla also and click here. Yes, you can see here no error message displayed here. Okay, you can see here. So I hope your problem is fixed. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.